Trader, ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you again here to our channel. I'm Samuel. Today is Sunday, so and we're approaching 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Less than 7 minutes here. Gonna hit 8 p.m. So it's my pleasure to turn in again. Let's see what the market gonna give us yesterday, trader. So we're now starting our week. You start on Sunday, and we know that tomorrow gonna be a holiday here in the US. So, but we're gonna see. Mesdames et messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue sur notre chaîne. Je suis Samuel. Aujourd'hui, c'est dimanche. Nous allons voir. Nous approchons 20h dans quelques minutes. Now, last week, we struggled a lot. Struggled, and we lost some account. We're now resuming now about new one. We're gonna see. And also my account. So let's see. Nous allons commencer notre soirée et dans quelques minutes, moins de 6 minutes ici, il sera 20h. Et à 20h, nous commencerons à chercher des opportunités. On a vu comment le marché est monté. Voilà, le marché est monté. Donc nous allons voir. So the market move. We have a gap up on gold. Silver also close the gap. Open here, came down, closing the gap right away, pull back up. So let's see. Look at here, we see that the trade came on the resistance. Let me go to 1 hour here. Yeah, we're on the resistance here. So need to, on the resistance, as you can see. Resistance here on gold. Let me see silver also. 1 hour in silver, we went to also the resistance on silver. Yep. That's what I see. Maybe we'll come back down to close the gap. Broke the resistance here. Let's wait. Less than 2 minutes here. We're gonna hit 8. Okay, they're pulling back. It's 8 here. Market went up, hit the resistance now, trying to come back down. On observe le marché. Tomorrow is Memorial Day. No trade here in US. Gotta remember. But I think other market gonna open. Asia and Europe, London, Tokyo. Yeah, everything gotta be closed. For those of you to trade New York session, it won't be available tomorrow. For the Memorial Day, probably. Sometimes used to do half for the stock market, half day. Let's see. I'm trying to expect the trade to come down. We have a gap here. Probably will not close it because sometimes the gap doesn't close same day. This momentum might keep going up. Anyway, we're gonna trade what we see. not what we're thinking. Let's see if this trade go here and break. I will expect, I will wait to see if it got a hole, because we may see a break here, a rejection, and come back down. All that. So should not get trapped. And we see here that they pulled back at 20 EMA. Good technical analysis, reversal. You didn't get to the VWAP because my other platform show VWAP is located here at 4,563.7, where VWAP is located. I didn't get there. It means that things still bullish. Comme je disais, une batterie, ce qu'on voit et non ce qu'on pense. On va attendre le mouvement. Mon cher a beaucoup travaillé depuis 18 heures. Good momentum. I don't know if we're going to get this again. Sometime with 8 p.m. But if come and find out that movement already gone. Pas que notre truc va commencer à la descendre encore. Go. Silver, peut-être. Parce que j'espérais que ce trade aille toucher le haut. I thought the trade could go and retest the high. That is what I expected. Even break, I will feel comfortable. But if the trade start coming down here, I won't feel comfortable taking it, because if you come down here, we may see a rejection after breaking this 20, and we shouldn't forget that there is a VWAP below somewhere here. Because if you look at our trade here, this platform, see that this is a VWAP. VWAP is just here at this level. It wouldn't be advised or smart to short trade at this level on the VWAP, because shorting here, you gotta place your stop. This is the right place to put your stop here. So gotta be very, very, very difficult for me to get this trade. I probably like this trade to come back here, this level, and break here, and reject and turn around, and let's leave it tails here for a rejection. Tails, start putting back down. Now I can enter the trade for the short and place my stop above the tail. That gotta be a good entry in case come back up, can get out, and I will place my target here on the VWAP. That is my plan. But if it doesn't do what I expect, for the bull, I will let him go. And I have also good trade. I may have a good trade here on S&P 500 here. It's not bad. So let's see. If the trades are coming down here, I don't think that I'm going to take it. If I want to take it, it got to be with a very tiny quantity, very small one. Or if the trade come down here, break this guy, that'd be nice too. Oh, this is a former resistance. It broke, it went to the high, come back below here, or come back here, retest here, coming back up, also good. When you come now and meet that this kind of moves, it's hard to predict or to know the price action, because this is a break. It went far away here and tested the resistance here, came back down. Doing this, we don't know if it's going up to break here and continue trend. We don't really know. Yep, don't really know. But we need to give him time. A lot of patience. Market is discipline, patient. Remember, because you don't get reward because of action. You get reward for precisions. I can reward you because you took a good trade. It's not because you took a multiple trades. Action doesn't mean anything, and be careful. Timing also very, very important. you can take a trade, a good trade, but you take it earlier than you were supposed to. You gotta get stuffed out because maybe by the pullback. Timing, very important as well. Gotta know what time you enter in the trade. You may be right, but the timing is wrong. Need to be careful. Oil pull back below 100 a barrel. $20 minutes here after 8 p.m. Eastern time. No trade for us. See with it. Some kind of consolidation. So people in Tokyo wake up and they find out that they saw this move when the market opened. They saw the move. Now they are, confused. They don't know what to do. They find out that people already pushed the market up, asking themselves, what are we going to do right now? Are we going to buy or sell? That is what they are asking themselves. That is why we have that consolidation. Normally, usually when the market open there, they just jump on the market, they move it up or down. But today they are not doing it. They are confused. They are asking questions. They haven't get the answer. Probably they're going to get the answer and maybe take place a trade. We're waiting for them to do it. Let's see which direction we're going to take. As I want to break. Gotta be careful with this break. Let's see a break, moving a little bit higher and reject, come back down. I want to take a trade after break. That's already break. Good evening, Chelsea. Thank you for joining us. Okay. But 500 as well, bro. You want to see Want to see gold breaking as well. Our indices broke, even US 30, Nasdaq. And a few rejection. The index. I prefer moving up a little bit more. One candle, one good candle above. When the market is doing like this, no. Indecisions, stay away, waiting the market to move. Don't know the direction am I going to take yet. Gotta wait the market to show us. We are just followers, trader. We are market followers. We are not prophet. Prophet is the one placing know what's going to happen. and it plays the trade before the trade, show the direction. But we don't want to be a prophet. We need to be followers. Say you don't know. Yep, that is the right way to say it. Good way to approach the market with humility. I don't know. You don't know what you don't know until I show you the direction. You might be wrong. It's true. It's better to follow the direction and you're wrong than to predict something you don't know. Now we placing now the next candle. So we're seeing. I need it. I like it. Like this one. So this break. I like that one. So I want to see also this guy moving above here. I want to see huge candle moving up. Bull flag moving up, dragging people who are going to chase it, and now turning back down. That is a scenario you may see there happening. I'm not predicting, I'm just, the patterns. I'm not sure it will happen. Also here in silver, probably we may see silver moving up, big candle, green candle, breaking once. Championship is very tight. A consolidation. A 5-minute consolidation. Know that the time for action used to be very small compared to the waiting time. I see sitting in my hand here, not trade yet. As long as the market still doing what it's doing right now, wouldn't take a trade. The hard time or the hard thing to do as a trader is to stay still, wait, right moment. Even more say that we need to be like sniper, not like soldier. Soldier are the one, those people. I mean, the soldiers shoot all over the time. You shoot even when you see noise, movement. You haven't seen anything. You just shoot because the soldier was trained for that. A sniper have to see clear before shooting. You shoot miles away. You know, that you need clear. You need to see clear. Objective before you trigger. So we need to be like a sniper, not like soldier. Soldier can, shoot a lot of round in second. You didn't even see the right target. Just saw maybe the wind's blowing. You shoot there a lot of round. But sniper doesn't do that. Wait the right moment. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. But the problem sometimes is that we don't, identify the right moment. Maybe we get fooled by some movement. We think that this is the right one. We take a trade and get burned. It happens. We see here Nasdaq went up like I was expecting, placing one candle up. So probably we see the pull back down. But I also like to see gold retesting here and rejecting at least. But what we can notice here on gold is that it started with a big, bars, and as time goes, the bar are, getting smaller and smaller. You can also see here on the volume. Volume is decreasing here. Hopefully, we're going to see maybe a big pull down or up. Yep. Pas de trade encore. On attend. may stay like this all night. It's possible. Approaching 9. Gold trying to pull back down, come back to the 20, as well as silver. Let's see if this is a downtrend. I don't know. Need to see, get a confirmation. Gonna get a confirmation when we break the 20 and we keep going down. We break uh, VWAP. Mm-hmm. Or what? On which trade? Yeah, yeah. Okay. I just there for 45 minutes. Right. Big move. From 6. You can see. Maybe come back down. Maybe. All right. Let's see. Shouldn't place the trade because we're bored. No. Our trade is a good trade. The Japanese trying to come down. Let's see gold breaking there, going to the high, like we said. Nice. So nice on gold. Let's see the break. Let's see the break on gold. See a rejection. It's already it's better. I expect this one to break here to make it very nice for me. So could I see another candle pulling here? Boom, up. Would I like it? Also on silver. So rejection. So you gotta come back down now. I don't know. So a 5-minute candle, 15 minutes also here, did the same. For Japanese, try to come down. Normally when you were Japanese coming down, the other guys have to move up. I don't know what's going on today. Already on the 20. Let's see what's going to happen after 9. See, you've already break the 20. Coming down. Let's see the candle. 5-minute close. We're approaching now the VWAP. Careful for the rejection. With that, US Japanese is moving up. And we have a spread. Japanese has big spread here. So let's see our candle close. Nice. So VWAP. I'll see a rejection there. Nice rejection. Probably will come back for the second attempt. So I didn't take this trade because it didn't do what I was expecting. Here to be a little bit safe, because if this trade could have break here a little bit and reject, and place this one could have been the tail red tail, I could have feel comfortable to take this pull back down. You see, it went to the VWAP. Now we reject it right away to the VWAP here. So let's see now what's going to happen. I would like to see the trade breaking here and turning back down. Let's see. Moving back down. Nice. You're going down now. If we move here, we hit here this level. Maybe I might figure out something. See continuation down, breaking the VWAP. Very dangerous trade. Trader. Still above. VWAP. Le prix ici monte ici, ça serait bien. Retester ici encore. Ah, going down. Are we ready for a break? Down. Gotta be careful also. Sometimes you break down, you reject right away up. They drop everywhere. Coming down. We are on the VWAP now. Right there. Want to see a break? Nice. VWAP broke. We don't want to see a rejection. Now there. Don't want to see a rejection. Let me see a rejection below the VWAP. Come back above because there are people sitting here a lot. This level. A lot of people sitting there. We may see green candle up. Hopefully we're going to break with the volume. So it looks like we're holding. I want to see, I want to wait this candle to close. Trader. Pushing down. Nice break. But because if I enter here, my stock got to be far away, above here. It might dry up, back up. So it's not something I want to see. Trading is hard. Trading is very difficult, trader. Very, very difficult. So you need patience, you need strategy, you need a lot of things, So I'm waiting the candle to close. If you close below the VWAP, it will be good. See, gotta close soon. Nice. See a retest. Nice up. Nice retest. Trader, I'm gonna go short here soon. Nice retest. I'm going short and placing my stop above. In case it turn back red. Start turning back red. Then you wait. See? You see? I'm taking the short here, trader. Taking also short
Order filled.
That level.
Order filled.
Took a short there. Two of my account. Placed my stop below. Hopefully, gonna get it. If you don't get it, I'll take a loss. Trader. Let's see. Let's see, pull back up. It's possible. But if it happens, I'm going to take a loss. No question asked. See that it doesn't work. Let's see. Enter a trade for downtrend continuation. Trading is hard. We are already on a trade. My two account. Oh, now there is nothing to do. What I win or lose. I don't want to take my my account here. Just took two account. A good entry, but if you don't get it, we don't get it. There's nothing to do. Approaching my stop, my other account here. I not get it. It's possible. A lot of people were sitting there below the viewer. It's possible. Let's see if the seller will keep pushing down. We saw here US Japanese came down here. Push hard. Want to see moving up. See? See how trade keep coming down. Still holding. I'm on 2 trade. Sometimes you have a direction of the trade. When you get into it, nothing happen now. Start going against you. Happen. Let's see. To go. Still holding. Sorry. Where Japanese look like you want to break. Yeah. Breaking. No good. Here. Approaching my stop on go. One of my account. No good. So maybe I'm going to take a loss here. You know, sometimes it happens. Enter the trade. You wait it, but you take the wrong one. It's possible, but let's see. Very possible. Get the wrong one. Maybe the trade will come back down. Maybe it's not this time. So got to take a loss on my other account. Twitter. Take it. Can see clear that the trade was on the downtrend. As soon as we enter, it start pulling back up. Nothing you can do.
Order filled.
I'm out of my trade. I'm still in on that one. Sorry. Trigger my trade there. I'm gonna trigger my stop. Sorry. That is what trading is about. Sometimes you stay, don't take a trade. Once, as soon as you take it, just go against you. Happen a lot. Taking a trade, stop there, a lot there as well. So people were sitting here below the viewer, but about there. Let's see. Wait and see. Going up. Replicate trade. Hmm? Trajectory. Try and put it down. Hmm. Took a first trade from, enter the trade here after the break. Trade pull back up. Get stopped out here at this level. Let's see where your Japanese is going to stop here. Watching. I'm going to go short again on this guy here. Come below 20 here. You see now Alex breaking uptrend. The Japanese moving up. Japanese is trying to move up. Taking short again on gold. Place my stop here. We see we're going to break down here. in this one here. So let's see. Come down. I'll hold the trade. Let's see. Well, you come this trade and come down right to here to 200 here. That's what I'm thinking. See, maybe me too. I'm waiting for silver. If it break here, I'm gonna get it. Mm-hmm. Mhm. I don't know why the volume doesn't come here. J'ai noté ça sur le truc ici, mais je sais pas pourquoi ça fait comme ça. Le volume qui est 100% ici. Il n'y a pas. Je suis dans le trade. Je vais repris le short. I don't know. I'm in here for the downside. Nice move. Let's see the trade keep moving down. Move my stop below here. I'm gonna add here my position. Keep going down. Nice move. I see a break. Silver as well. Want to see silver coming down. I'm adding my position here. Nice. Move my stop down. In case it doesn't work, and take a loss here. My order account. Let's see. I wanted to see silver coming down, but hopefully we're going to follow it. For this trade, you have to probably come down with this move, coming here to the 200. Is what I'm thinking. Because I have to place my target also here. Silver have to see a break here. I'm going to enter silver as well. Let's push down. See a continuation down. Well, we'll adjust it to my stop. Gotta learn how to hold on the winning trade. It's not easy, but we have to learn. It's not easy, I know. It's hard to, it's easier to hold on the losing one than the winning trade. Let's see a break down. We're going to see a pullback up before coming back down. I don't know. Holding on the support 50 SMA. I see a pullback there. It's possible. I'm sacrificing my again. Let's see a continuation down. And see silver moving down here. If gold continue down, silver will follow. And the C's also, I see them coming down. See holding. We got my mass loss on my other account. So I bought it just today. It happened. Let's see silver down. have a double bottom. See continuation there. No. Approaching 10 soon. See holding gold here. Hopefully going down. Gotta place break even here, trader. I'm placing my break even here in case I don't want to take a loss there. If it move up, trigger my stop, break even. Prefer that. Maybe I can come back tomorrow and trade. I'm going to trigger my stop soon. Break even. That's why trading is hard. You know, never know what a trade gonna do till it does it. Also a good profit, but expecting more. That's why I don't get out. I didn't take that profit. I was expecting the break. Maybe we may still have it, but who knows? Who knows? Nice on silver. I see silver breaking here. Keep moving down here and breaking. Break below the support. Silver is going great. Like it. Want to see silver coming to this 200 here. It's possible, very possible. I think that is what gonna probably happen. Even gold will probably come here to 200. Even though it doesn't come right now, we will do it. Maybe after us. Approaching 10 here, less than 2 minutes here. Silver is doing great. If we close the candle, take another one. I'm gonna go into silver as well. Then hold it. Don't want to see a pullback. See your test. Gonna keep pushing down, right? Trader. Then dangerous zone. It's 10. Still in the trade. Si tu es dans le trade, je vois ce trade descendre ici. The breaking here, I'm going to take silver. It's not good with this guy. don't know if we're gonna have it or not. I'm not sure. We are moving up. Now good. See holy. Finally, I'm not getting it. Very unfortunate. Getting out of my trade. Trader. Very unfortunate. Break even. Here, break even here. My stop. Sometimes you have to hold on the winning trade, because you never know. If I don't get it today, maybe I'll get it another day. I'm gonna accept it. Happens. Nothing I can do. Stop it there. L'autre jour, peut-être. They're pulling back down. I don't know if you want to get it. Went close to my stop here. I'm still holding. I want to see this guy breaking here. That is how I'm gonna be happy. Let's see. I'm not afraid of the support. Even if it hit here, go back up, that's fine. My plan is to see this trade coming down here, breaking this. That is my plan. If it doesn't, that's fine. I see the break down, new low. See a new low. I see a new low there. That's my plan. Just sticking on my plan here. Nice. Nice, trader. Let's see, gold continue down. Silver as well. You look. Let's see. You can see a rejection there. It's possible. Straight, don't want to go down. Trader. Taking that one there. Take that one. Maybe you're gonna go back down, but I don't know. To that one. Trend line here. Okay, yeah, I think got a pause here today. I didn't do what I was expecting, but I took a small profit. That's fine. I was expecting this trade to break here, the continuation down, but they're going to do it maybe later. But I lost my first trade. My first trade, I enter here after the break. The trade came here, it broke here. It came now, it broke this level. Here, it hold on. I waited this trade, this candle. The candle came here, came green. It turned out red. The mistake I made was that I was supposed to wait for the candle to make the new low to enter the trade, but the candle didn't make the new low. I was jumping on it because when the next candle doesn't make the new low, it means that it's holding. It's holding because we saw this rejection dry. Yep, that is it. You know, yep. The candle open here. Let me see. We have an open here. Went a little bit up. We came back down. You know, and we came back here down. We dried up here. We stop here. So we push up. The buyer push up. What I see, because we opened here, went a little bit up. We came back down here, and we dry here, and we jump here. We put the green candle. The green candle now. My open was here and went back down a little bit. We dip down a little bit and we went back up and we try again, enter the trade because the trade turned red a little bit here, but it didn't break the new low. I was supposed to wait for the trade to break the new low before entering this trade, but because if I was waiting the trade to break the new low before entering it, I could have seen that the trade didn't break the new low, you know, because this trade didn't break the new low, I couldn't enter this trade. So, but you know, I entered the trade and you saw the result. Now I get stopped out here. So it wasn't a good trade because it stopped me out. I waited, you know, I entered the trade at this level here. This level for the short. It shook me here, I didn't get out. It came down, it did this, everything here. Went up, it went back up. My stop was here, this level. It didn't stop me out, it came back down, and now it started doing this. I went out here, I can see. As you can see, you know, I recovered this level. Now we're going triangle here. As you can see, I don't know what's going to happen at this level. We have a triangle here, as you can see here, trader. I was expecting this guy to break here. If he break here, since this is still here, I see a break here holding. I may go up, but you know, it's just dancing here inside the triangle. That is another consolidation. I'm not here for that. I don't have time. Consolidation, and we see that this guy now coming down. You know, trying to come down now. Anyway, today is enough. I will come back tomorrow, trader. You know, we know that tomorrow is a holiday here in US, but the market got to open. I will trade the Asia session. Things are going to work, probably. But that's good for today. Thank you for those who are watching. See you again tomorrow. So, je disais que aujourd'hui, je me suis battu. Bon, le trade n'a pas marché comme j'étais en train d'expliquer en anglais. Là où ce que je voulais que le trade fasse, je voulais qu'il casse vers le bas ici, mais il n'a pas cassé. Donc, je suis entré ici. Comme il a cassé ici, j'ai voulu qu'il continue vers le bas, mais il ne l'a pas fait. Comme on voit, il avait bien dépassé ce niveau. J'ai voulu qu'il continue vers le bas, il n'a pas fait. Il est venu ici. Je suis rentré, mais j'étais en train de dire que je devais attendre que ce trade, la bougie verte vienne vers le bas avant d'entrer. Mais la prochaine fois, je vais veiller à ça. Très important. Donc, ça ne s'est pas passé. Alors, pour aujourd'hui, c'est bon. Je vais revenir demain. Demain, c'est férié. Je vais trouver la session de Japon. Donc, je pense que je serai là. So, let's see. Have a wonderful time, trader. Have a goodbye.